Hello viewers, in this particular session, we are going to solve some 4 questions which were asked in RBI Assistant. Okay, without wasting much time, let's jump into the first one. So try to solve this by yourself. So hope you would have solved. Now let's solve this particular question. Two trains A and B are running in opposite directions at 50 km per hour and 40 km per hour. So when two trains are running in opposite direction, so what will be the relative speed? So relative speed will be sum of speed. So what will be the relative speed of both the trains? It is like 50 plus 40, 90 km per hour. Okay, so 90 km per hour. If they cross each other in 12 seconds, so what is the time taken? Time is like 12 seconds. So find the length of the faster train if it is twice the length of the slowest train. Okay, if I take length of the faster train is like 2x, so length of slower train will be x. And if you observe, they are asking length of the train in terms of meters. Okay, so what is the formula for distance, which is speed into time? So here it is like 90, it is in kilometer per hour. So how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second into 5 by 18? And what is the time taken? 12 is equal to sum of the length of train. So 2x plus x will be like 3x. So this is 1 time and this is like 5 time. Again, this is 1 time and this is like 4 times. So 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 4, 100. So value of x will be like 100. So this is nothing but length of the slower train. But what is the length of the faster train? So length of the faster train is twice the length of the slower train. So what will be the length of faster train? It will be 200 meters. So answer for this particular question is 200 meters. Next one. So try to solve this by yourself. Yes, so hope you would have solved. Now let's solve this particular question. The average of 12 numbers is 48. So what is the average of entire 12 numbers? Which is 48. If the average of first 6 numbers is 52 and average of last 4 number is 40. Okay, so average of first 6 numbers is like 52 and last 4 numbers is like 40. So what is the average of the remaining 2 numbers? So remaining how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. So if you observe, okay, so average of first 6 number is how much more? It is like 4 more. Okay, so how much more? It is 4 more. So for each and every number, if it is like 4, for 6 numbers it will be like 24 more. Next thing, what about the last 4 numbers? So last 4 numbers average is 40. So how much it is less? So 8 less. So if one number is like 8, then 4 numbers will be like 32. Okay, so now 24 minus 32 is like minus 8. So remaining how many numbers are there? 2. So divided by 2. So what we need to do, we have to change the sign here. Okay, so minus 8 by 2 will be like minus 4. So what you have to do, you have to change the sign, it will be like plus 4. So the average of remaining 2 numbers will be 48 plus 4. So which will be 52. Okay, so answer for this particular one is like 52. Okay, so next one. So try to solve it by yourself first. So done. So hope you have solved this. Now let's solve this particular question. A man invested rupees P in scheme A on compound interest at a rate of 10% per annum for 2 years and invested rupees P plus 500 in scheme B on simple interest at a rate of 12% per annum for same period. So what is the same period? It is like 2 years. Okay, so 10% per annum for the amount P for 2 years at compound interest is like 21%. Okay, this is for scheme A. So what about scheme B? So he invested P plus 500 in scheme B on simple interest at a rate of 12% per annum. So for 1 year it is like 12% in the sense, for 2 years it will be 24%. And for extra 500, what is 12% of 500? So 12% will be like 60. So for 2 years it will be 120. Okay, if the interest received by man from scheme A is 150 less than, okay, so what is the difference here? It is like 150, that is 24% plus 120 minus 21% is 150. What is 24 minus 21? 3%. Okay, if I bring this plus 122 right hand side minus 120, so 150 minus 120, which is 30. Okay, then find the amount invested in scheme B. Okay, so here what is the amount invested? See, if here they have invested 100% of the amount, here they have invested 100% plus extra 500. Okay, so if 3% is like 30, then 100% will be 1000. Okay, and extra 500, so answer will be 1500 rupees. Okay, next one, so try to solve it by yourself. Yes, so hope you would have solved. Now let's solve this particular question. The average present age of ABC is like 14 years. So A, B and C average age is like 14, in the sense present will be 42. While 4 years ago average age of B, C and D was like 15. So 4 years ago average is 15. That means at present B, C and D average will be 19. Okay, so total 57. Okay, now if we like change the sign and elimination method, you'll be getting D minus A will be 15. Okay, next, if sum of percentage of A and D is like 27 years, so D plus A is 27, then find the age of D 5 years hence. Okay, so if you cancel, you'll be getting 2 times of A is equal to 40, sorry, 2 times of D is equal to 42. From this D will be, D's percentage will be like 21, but they are asking 5 years in. So what is 21 plus 5? 26. Okay, so answer for this particular question is 26. So hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.